Alright everybody, got the crank torqued down, lubed up, and it moves nice and freely, tight, like it feels nice and tight, but it moves freely, so that's good. That's how it's supposed to be. And same thing with the crank. I don't know if you guys could see it in there. I'm gonna move it by hand. See that? Just by moving it here, you can roll it with your fingers, so that's good. Everything's good. So next stop, pistons. We're gonna put the pistons in and check the rod clearance also, kind of the same way I check the crank clearance, and then torque them down. I gotta check the torque specs on that, because actually I can't remember what the torque specs are in those bolts, rod bolts. But anyways, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. I got all the pistons here. I'm gonna put rings on them, but I have to check gaps on the rings on each bore first, and if one's too small, use a file and just file it up a little bit. They're supposed to be measured already for 30 over for these pistons, but sometimes you have to check all that stuff. So it costs so much to repair a motor. They go through all these specifications. So I'm gonna try to get the pistons in there today, installed, and clean them out, and then put some lube on the sleeves right here, and bearings gonna go in there, of course, everything lubed up. Maybe if it goes good, I'll put the timing gear in, oil pump, timing cover, water pump maybe, and we'll have a short block ready. I'm waiting for these expansion plugs to come in. I could put those after. So I took them off. The machine shop put them in, but I wasn't too happy with the way they cleaned up the inside, so I did an extra cleanup on it. But yeah, it's getting there. See you guys.